Yeah, so if you have clicked on this video, you must be willing to install additional theme on your macOS. So I'll show you how to do it without doing any crap. So what you have to do is, first you have to download the theme, which I have already downloaded. I'll show you. So yeah, this is the theme which I want to use for my programming and stuff, because I'm a programmer and I like this theme a lot. So if I want to install this in my system, what I have to do is I have to copy this and I have to drag it over here. That's it, I guess. Let's see if it is working. No. Why? All you had to do is drag and drop. Yes, man, it's working now. So you'll see this is getting installed. Pretty simple stuff. Earlier you had some users of plus button and stuff. I don't know. Right now this is working. This is how you can install the font on your macOS. That's it. Thank you very much.